Erin. My name's Chelsea King, and I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee. Mark wanted to say, Happy 40th, Erin Overcash. Love your husband, Mark, and friends.
Born and raised out in Maryland, among the wild rivers and the whispering wind, was a beautiful country girl named Erin. She moved away to South Carolina, following the love of her life. She had big dreams, taller than the trees. Life keeps moving, flowing, rolling like those wild rivers, flowing faster than the wind. We keep changing, growing, watching summers turn to winter, and as the seasons change like they're meant to, Erin, I'll always love you. She raised a family in the southern heat. 4 children, she's a saint. She's a tennis champion. She's turning 40. Her life keeps moving, flowing, rolling like those wild rivers, going faster than the wind. We keep changing, growing, watching summers turn to